Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Grok AI Image to Video Generator. Just come to grokimagine.ai and then just create an account. They give you free credits, which you can claim daily as well. Then what I want you to do on the left-hand navigation panel, click on Image to Video. The mode, I'll just go ahead and leave it as Turbo, unless you want better quality. Okay, you can go for these. They take more time. Just stick with Turbo, and then you can go ahead and either upload your file, right? Just browse, drag and drop, or you can get it from a URL. You just paste it in. You can use your own creations as well. I will just go ahead and upload a file. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this puppy. Okay, so here we have the image. It's ready for video generation. If you want high quality mode, you toggle that on. Okay, it will take longer. I'll just do fast generation and resolution. Okay, we'll stick with 720. Duration, I'll leave it at 5 seconds. Camera fixed, you can toggle this one on if you want the camera to be fixed. And then you describe the motion. Okay, basically how you want the image to move or animate. Okay, so I don't have enough credits for this one. I'll take more. I'll just go ahead and make it 480p. So this is my description. Basically, the small, white puppy, similar to the one in the image, is sitting calmly on a smooth gray rock. Suddenly, okay, while sitting on this smooth gray rock, its head perks up and then tail begins to wag gently. Then takes one curious step forward and gives a quick playful lick to the camera before settling back down. Okay, I've described the background foliage as well, softly blurred, basically bokeh effect with autumn colors. Then you click on From Image, and then it'll start generating your video. Now, if the generation fails, the credits are automatically refunded and they're not deducted, which is what I like about this. This one usually takes a little bit to process. You can just come and get your video here under My Creations. So here, the video is ready. Let's go ahead and watch it. Okay, that's actually the perfect video according to our description. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.